Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. On this time of pandemic and weather are keep on changing unexpectedly, we can easily catch viruses that results in colds all year around. On this video, I'm going to share with you my fresh juice recipe that help your immune system to get more stronger and to be able to fight colds and viruses. So keep on watching and I'll show you how to make it. So guys, let's start on washing our fruits and vegetables that we're going to use in this recipe. Then, I'm just going to cut them into smaller cubes just to make it easier and more faster for our juicer to squeeze. So guys, on this immune boosting fresh fruit punch that I'm going to prepare, I'm going to use 1 lemon, 1 orange, 2 carrots, 1 red apple, 1 green apple, and 1 thumb size of ginger. You know what, guys? This is not just a normal or usual fresh juice. It gives a lot of health benefits in our body. Lemons and oranges has a tons of vitamin C. Apples has an antioxidants that reduce risk for a common colds and allergies. Ginger is good for digestion, circulation, and has an anti-inflammatory property. Carrots has a fiber that help keep blood sugar levels under control, and they are also loaded with vitamin A and beta carotene. Carrots can also strengthen your bones. It has a calcium and vitamin K, which are important for our bone health. So now guys, we're going to start juicing. Using my electric juicer, I'm going to put in all the fruits and vegetables gradually. And we're just going to help by pushing in using the juicer tamper. There will be a filter inside that will separate the juice from the pulp. And this is it guys. This is our immune boosting fresh fruit punch. And believe me guys, using an electric juicer, it's so easy and faster. And this mixer guys, it's so convenient. Very easy to assemble, to disassemble, and even very easy to wash. Guys, don't worry if you don't have an electric juicer. You can have this by using a blender. Just cut all the fruits and vegetables, put it in a blender, just add water in it, blend it, and just strain it using a cheesecloth. Serve by pouring into a glass over an ice, or you can drink it as it is. And kiss the common colds goodbye. Hope you will try this recipe guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, click the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I upload. And don't forget to subscribe. Life is beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!